Another thing I love the parallel glider for is making slant lines. So if you have a printout like this one, it's really easy to make slant lines. All you do is, make sure that your envelope is straight on the printout, and then line up the parallel glider with the slant lines on the printout, and then you'll roll the parallel glider down and make slant lines like that. Okay, so easy peasy on that. But if you don't have a printout like this one, it's still really simple to make slant lines with the parallel glider. So all you're going to do is identify a horizontal guideline, any horizontal guideline, on your envelope or whatever you're making calligraphy on, and then line up the middle of the parallel glider, which is this 4, with that line. So the line I've chosen to line things up with is this second horizontal guideline right here. And then calligraphy usually has between a 53 and a 55 degree slant. In this case, we're going to make 55 degree slant lines. So again, make sure that the middle of your parallel glider is lined up with your horizontal line, and then just rotate the parallel glider until both the 4 and the 55, which is right here, because, well, no, not right there. It's going to be right here, because see, this is 50 and this is 55. So make sure both of them are on this horizontal guideline, okay? And then what you can do at this point is just roll the ruler down and make slant lines. This is super, super nifty, really handy if you want to make calligraphy with a consistent slant, which who doesn't? And then if your parallel glider starts to go toward the end of your table, all you have to do is reposition it up, realign it with a line, and this continue to pull it over. So yeah, really, really useful. I love this thing.